Hello again. We're out in the snow. I'm just walking up the road. It's almost impossible to get out right now. Still have about maybe 6 to 5 inches of snow. Maybe a little bit less. But it's not too bad. And I can't side ride because there's rocks at the bottom of our road keeping cars out of our yard. But basically, that would be the hill all the way up to that red Jeep up there. That would have been the hill. That would probably went into this field right here that was almost completely covered, and the grass was a foot tall from last year. And as you can see, it's pretty much all the way up to my ankles. And I don't think we're getting any mail today, nor any power. And again, we're running on a kerosene heater. And we can't clear the roads because they're too deep and too wet, obviously. I've been trying to call some of my friends like myself and try to get a hold of them. And this is probably the most extreme weather conditions we've ever had here on Lynbrook Road. Shouldn't have said that, but this tree, let's see right here, this tree is getting ready to fall. And when it lands, it's gonna land right on our driveway. So that's just about perfect. And there's another tree way up the road. Let's see if I can't zoom in on it. It's way up there. Let's see here. It's about right there. I think you guys can see it. And it's still snowing. It says it's supposed to snow until Sunday, and we should have about 10 inches of snow. Really, I think we already have 10 inches of snow. So that tree right there is more than likely going to fall on either our house or somewhere else. Hopefully not our house, because we don't want to be that cold. And have to go to a hotel probably for a night. Here, Max, say hello. Say hi. Roof. Speak. I'm gonna have to get out of here real quick. I thought I was just gonna hear a crumble a little bit, like this tree's getting ready to fall over. Sounded pretty heavy sound. It was really crumbly. But you could see someone went out just a few minutes ago. I didn't realize that this is like the road out through here, and it's like extremely bad. And we're just packing down the snow even more. No one seems to be out shoveling. You can see I took a bike ride, and it wasn't too fun. I broke my chain on my bike. At least I have another bike. Well, what was that? Didn't sound good. Well, I kind of gotta get in and take a shower before all the hot water is gone. I may want to go up the road and go around up to the house, because if this tree falls, it's gonna... crap. Right in my eye. It's gonna come right down on top of me, so I'm gonna have to go up and around probably. I think I'm walking to the end of the road with you guys and seeing what's up there. No trees that I could see were falling. Let's see if there's any mail. Let's see here. Nope. Man, not on today. Not coming today. I don't think he's ever gonna come. Quite honest. And we are at 4 minutes and 3 seconds. The clock this video is ticking. Probably have about 27 minutes left. And that's the tree again, obviously. And we're still walking. I just took a piss right there. And we're still walking. And the snow is getting up in my socks. And this really sucks because power. I like having a noisemaker when I sleep, especially here because all the chainsaw stuff from the neighbors sawing trees. And it's obvious that we're gonna saw even more trees. So, it looks like some of these pine trees are gonna fall eventually. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe even next week. Who cares? You can already see some of the branches that fell due to weight. There's my dog. It's almost up to his waist in snow. Oops. Camera went sideways again. But this is extreme. Oh, that's that new tree that just now grew. It's like all the way over this archway. It's kind of cool. But I don't know, Ed. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make a snowman today. It's more of a staying indoors and keeping warm and trying to conserve energy on our laptops and our my Polaroid DVD player so I can watch movies while I wait for the power to come back on, if it ever does. There's probably like 1,000 more trees up the hill, up the road I mean, or up the hill, it's more like it. And I guarantee this is not going to be fun. I'll maybe try to go start drying if I can get some of the branches cleared up. But I seriously doubt it. I'm basically going back up the path I came down on, so I don't get killed by that tree that's getting ready to fall. I wish I could get some help, but help is a long ways away. And we're not going to a hotel probably. I wish, but probably not. Well, my dad really wants to go get a backup generator at Lowe's, but I don't think that's going to happen either. Because my mom is Yankee, and we've been listening to the radio, battery-powered radio, and I cannot see what I'm going into. Whoa, it's deep. Right there. Okay. I'm facing that tree again. I really want to hurry up here, just in case. And I'm getting my sled, and I'm going inside. My glasses are probably going to fog up like absolutely crazy. And we are here. And this is inside of our basement. Oh, that's warm. That's nice and warm. We better close the door. Oh my god, look at my dog. Covered in snow. That is it.